Oh, fuck. Alright, guys. So, today was a loss for me, and I'm going to run you through it. So, as you can see, this is the exact entry right here. Um, I feel like the entry should have came a little earlier, but just based off higher time frame structure, I felt like I could have targeted up here, which was like maybe my initial draw. As we fill deep into this new week opening gap, we have this sweep on the low. We do have these lows stacked up here as well. Um, so it's a little tricky here, but definitely there was a long setup earlier in the morning, like literally right at market open. Okay, so it'd probably be this small little inversion. It would be this small little inversion. Sorry. Um, but for me, I didn't really get that entry here because this is um yeah, I was waiting for a higher time frame market structure shift rather than the lower time frame. But easily could have caught the same 2R or whatever. I could have targeted here. Um, you have these highs as well, but it would never got hit. Even here is also a 3R, but I ended up wanting to take a long up here, and I'll go through as to why. So currently down on the day, unfortunately. Dude. Um, yeah, dude. There's like all this LR right here. I wanted to just see like a fucking rip through this shit, dog. Um, but anyways, I still got the rest of the week to come back, so we'll be chilling. Anyways, let's see. So yeah, initial setup. You have this sweep of low right here. You have a little change in state as well as your entry. If you wanted to enter up here. Um, right now we're just chopping because ISM manufacturing PMI is coming out. That's why I entered in an early position. Because I had my initial draw. I just wanted to get out before news. Still got 8 minutes left before that gets released. This could have been your entry here, and then a little easy dub. Unfortunately, I have been waiting for the bigger time frame, because if like you really think about it, interestingly enough, like on the smaller time frame here, we had the sweep. I mean, on the higher time frame, we had the sweep, and this was the 15-minute candle close. So I was waiting for that to show a true structure shift, to then take longs higher. So that was something I was waiting for. But it wouldn't have been wrong for me to also take a sweep, little IFVG, boom, take these highs out. Like this should be the target here, and they did get hit. So instead, I saw. Okay. Where are we at? Just the 1 minute. Okay. Instead, on the 1 minute, I was looking at this fair value gap. As we displaced up, take out these highs. There's a 5-minute change in state here. And we also had a 3-minute IFVG right here as well. Okay. And that was lining up with me. 5-minute. Ooh. Change in state. Look, this might play out. Like, we might take out these highs. It's just the PA was just not efficient enough to go up. As you can see, we're just like literally chopping. Given the news release, which is why. So, yeah, had a 3-minute IVG. had this 1 minute fair value gap, and my entry was right here. Okay. And I did put it at C of this IFEG. Not below, because this is like in scenarios like this where PA isn't as efficient, we're gonna tend to rebalance into these fair value gaps and then displace higher, or just move higher. Not really displace, because as you can see, we're just chopping. But yeah, that was initially my entry, dude. And oh, sorry, this thing's like in my eye. Yeah, unfortunately, I got stopped out because price wanted to rebalance after this initial pump, right at market open sweep, and then yeah, we're just going through all this shit now. So that is a tough ass loss, bro. That is tough as fuck. I was trying to target these highs. Just so much LR built up. Like, we can easily just rip through this. That's my initial draw. Yes, we have these lows, but we filled this new week opening gap, essentially. Like, swept it as well. Had a little resweep here. You don't need this sweep here. If it really needed to, we would have done it. Yeah, wow, this sucks, bro. What the fuck? Okay, so yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. I feel like this initially should be the entry here, the re-entry if I were to get one, not on this candle, but this next candle here, and then yep, that is so unfortunate. Though, so it's a little quick loss, guys, but going in the books today. Gonna make it back. Have a lot of opportunities. Hopefully this week. I mean, if we go into Forex Factory, we do have quite a lot of news in between. No red news in between, building up to Friday, but the market will react, build liquidity, basically seek and destroy until we hit Friday's average hourly earnings folder news release, unemployment rate, and non-farm and employment change. Okay, so this is gonna be a huge day on Friday. So whatever trades you take Tuesday through Thursday are gonna be very discretionary. You have ISM services, PMI, JOLTS job opening, so we still have some form of liquidity into the market. So yeah, we're gonna go back in and yeah, let's get like another banger trade or some shit. Yeah, but that's pretty much it, guys. Hope y'all took this fat ass long. Fuck. Shit. All right, I'll catch you guys later.